let's talk about why the stock is down in the face of better than expected results. What do you think is going on here?
Oh, I think the stock's down because it's up, because revenues were down, and there's a bit of seasonality in the quarter, which I think is going to get run over in the next quarter. So I think people are just taking some profits, which is, I think, perfectly reasonable. The media group's been very strong. The stock's
it has been, and Time Warner has been, by the way, an outperformer of the other media stocks.
Yeah, it's just a rest.
Okay, a rest. All right, well then, in the meantime, what might be a catalyst, Larry, is all this talk about Time Warner possibly merging with CBS. And we've heard about this for years, that they've been flirting with each other on this. Do you think that finally we might see some sort of deal done?
No, I don't really think that's going to happen. Mr. Redstone has absolute control of CBS, so his vote is the only thing that counts. If you look at the market since the beginning of the bull market, Betty, believe it or not, I think CBS is the second best stock in the market.
Really?
I think Mr. Moonves has done a spectacular job with the company. Mr. Redstone is happy, and I don't think he's about to disturb the poker deck. And the other thing, from Jeff Bewkes's standpoint, he's worked for this company for many, many years, and the stock has really done very, very well when he's been in a non-merger mode. Once he did his last deal, which was not very successful, this internet company in Britain, he's more or less disavowed deals, and the financial stewardship of the company, I'd give them an A grade. They've been investing intelligently in content. The NCAA contract with CBS is a perfect example. They've been buying stock. They've been raising the dividend. What's not to like?
It's all great arguments as to why the two should remain separate, but you can't deny that there has been chatter after chatter about the two merging. So why do you think that that continues to happen?
Too many investment bankers, Betty. Not enough deals. I'm very surprised, frankly, that there haven't been more deals in media. We've seen a lot of consolidation in the TV station space, but I don't think we're going to be putting big media companies together anytime soon.
Is there any scenario, though, Larry? I know you're saying Sumner Redstone, and boy, you know, he's somebody who would be very hard to convince. Is there any scenario where he would actually say, "Let's go for it"?
Well, I think if Mr. Bewkes offered him a 40% premium for CBS, it would catch his attention. But hopefully there's enough discipline over in Manhattan to prevent that from happening. I think both of these guys are playing a good poker hand. It's a different poker hand, but they're playing it well. And I think you just let the river run, Betty.
Okay.
I really don't see this big-time consolidation.